Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a progress bar in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard, and now we can install a free plugin. So you can see here plugin section, and then you can check some installed plugins. Then to install a new plugin, you can go here and click on add plugin. Here you can go and search for progress bar, and you will get multiple plugins. So if I scroll down, so this one is the plugin that we are going to use. So now activate this plugin, and now scroll down. Here you can see on the left side in WordPress dashboard, you can go here. So by default here you can see position is selected top, and these are the colors, so you can go and change the colors. Then scroll down, and here you can select different pages where you want to display progress bar. So by default this one is selected for home page only. So if I go here and visit the site, and then if I scroll down, here you can see it's working fine. So if I go on other page, then here you can see there is nothing. So you can go and select all of the pages, all of the blog posts, as well as you can also select other pages where you want to display this progress bar and click on save changes.